Is it a boy
Reed, do you think it's a boy or a girl? Reed.
No.
Whoa, Reed, you're gonna have a brother.
It's a boy.
Can you say baby brother?
Shocked.
Reed.
It's a boy, Reed.
Reed. Reed, can you say baby brother? Oh,
I'm shocked. Wait, what? How do you see that?
there it is. Reed, what's your baby brother's name gonna be?
We'll see. I don't. Corinne will have to read.
Oh, Dr. Aaron doesn't believe.
Well, you can't see anything.
Okay, Reed, say baby brother. Bye-bye.
Say brewer.